Hi, this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a continued subscriber, thank you for watching my videos. And I'm here to do another book review. And so hopefully you're enjoying my book reviews, and I'm helping you in some way, searching for some books that you're looking for. All right, this one is a retro book. So if you're into retro journals, your vintage type ephemera or that type of thing, I highly recommend Handyman, Science, what do you call it? Home Handyman, Popular Mechanics, that type of stuff. This is the first time I've had this book. So this is a do-it-yourself Science and Mechanics. Let me zoom in a tad here. Okay. So this is do-it-yourself Science and Mechanics Complete Handyman Encyclopedia. This happens to be number 2. It says ball joints and boat engines. That's the name of this one. Of course, it's like encyclopedia, so there's an entire series of this book. It's hardcover. This is the spine. Okay, here's the back. It's a brown tan. And this book is like new. When I opened it up, it was very tight, so I don't even think anybody has used this book. It was probably one of those salesman things where, people went door to door or whatever, and back in those days when, you bought an entire encyclopedia. Here, did you hear the page crinkle? Yeah, so I don't even think this has been opened. So I'm not going to flip through every page of this book because it is probably 200 some pages, but we will thumb through it because I want to show you this. These are great if you're doing retro. So, Complete Handyman Do-It-Yourself Encyclopedia, Science and Mechanics. Okay, this is an H.S. Stutman Company publisher. All right, so look at these vintage illustrations. I love the Handyman books. This is copyright 1975. Okay, so here, this one, happens to be, like I said, boats and mechanical type stuff. But see, look at this. Here's a lady outside cooking or grilling. Sorry, I'm not in frame. Look at the images. I'm going to try to get the whole book in. The images are just fantastic. Look, here's a lady here with drinks, and he's making a bar for her. So it comes with actual real, like, black and white pictures also, but with illustrations. These illustrations are great for putting in journals. Just love these handyman books. So we can thumb through this a little bit, and so you can get an idea. But they are cool. I love the handyman books. Can't say enough. Look at, here's a Delco Energizer. It's top of your battery. If you do a man's journal, fantastic. Look at all these batteries. Here's a little boy with his train. Isn't that cool? And these pages are very heavy and very thick, construction paper type pages. Very thick paper, almost cardstock-ish, like, look at those bunk beds. Yep, so these are fantastic. These are great for collaging too, because you have all these diagrams. So these are just wonderful. Like here, to collage with. They actually give a really neat appearance, collaging with those types of things. There's a lady's mixer that he was fixing. There's boats. Maybe you have a fishing journal or something that you want to do. There you go. So that's Do It Yourself, Science and Mechanics Complete Handyman Encyclopedia. Now I just want to say that this is number 2, ball joints and boat engines. So this is number 2 in this encyclopedia series, but you can look for any number in the series, or maybe there is a certain book number, you know, maybe it's volume number 5 that has nature about flowers. That would be fantastic. Well, it's not going to be flowers because it's do it yourself, but maybe it's how to do gardening or something like that. So be sure to find this type of book. And so this is actually book tape here on the end. On here, this is book tape. And then this is the book. So it's a very neat book. This was in like brand new condition. And did I do the size? I think I did, didn't I? 10 1/4 by 7 1/2. I think I did. Maybe I didn't. Yep. And then I said it was sewn in pages, right? Yes. So these pages can be taken out too. So there you go. So if you do retro journals or vintage type stuff, this might be neat, or men's journals. All right. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.